Okay, so you've now got your 4 squares all joined together. And what we're going to do next is sew them onto the bag. So you're just going to take your bag and insert it in to the middle of your squares. And then we're going to thread our needle. So now you're using your sharp end sewing needle. And you see that I've just marked the middle of the bag here, just so I can see exactly where I'm aiming for. So if you want to do that, just measure across and then make a mark in the middle, or you can just eyeball it, whatever you prefer. So you're going to start off on that centre point as close to the zip as you can get. Just going to pull through and leave a bit of a tail there. Then you're just going to come up through the centre and pull that tight, make sure that tail stays there. And then we're just going to go back and forth along the line of the zip. Don't worry too much about it being loose now, you can pull it tighter at the end. So just in each stitch and along the line of the zip. My tail's got a bit caught up there, but okay. It's a little bit trickier as you work around the zip, but just keep going. Take it nice and slow. I'll show you here. Just in there in that last stitch, and then just sort of go underneath the zip there into this chain space, and then it's going to go underneath there. Just get this as close to the pouch as we can. And now we're on the other side. Move the zip out of the way and just in there and then into that chain space there. And then when you pull this up, you can just really sort of work a few stitches to get it as close as you can. It's a little bit trickier to get it close on the sides here. There we go. Just going to pull that tight. So just going to carry on and just going to sew all the way along as we have done on this side, and then I'll meet you back here at the end. Okay, so I've now sewn all the way around. You can see that my squares are all nicely joined. So what we're going to do now is just pull these two ends tight. Just going to weave this end to the back of the pouch. And we're just going to tie these two ends in a knot a few times to secure them.